Welcome to the magical world of the most beautiful birds on the planet. Today, we will explore the diverse and brilliant beauty of 10 bird species that when you see them, you will definitely not be able to take your eyes off them. From shimmering colors to splendid wings, each bird is not only a work of art of nature, but also carries within it special stories about life and existence. Let's immerse yourself in the journey of discovering and admiring the top 10 most beautiful birds in the world and see which bird species is your favorite. Gala, found mainly in Australia. They are medium-sized, about 35 centimeters long, and weighing between 300 and 400 grams. Gala is known to be a friendly and easy-to-keep bird that can live from 40 to 70 years when well cared for. They stand out with their beautifully colored plumage. The chest, belly, and face are bright pink, while the back and wings are gray. The top of the bird's head has a crest of ivory or pale pink feathers, which can be raised when it is excited or alert. They are very active and intelligent birds, making them a good choice to keep as pets. Gouldian finch, famous for its bright and colorful plumage, living mainly in tropical forests and near water sources. Each individual Gouldian finch varies in color, with some having green backs, while others have bright yellow backs. Gouldian finch has a compact size, about 12 to 14 centimeters long. They live in herds and often forage for food on the ground, mainly seeds. Gouldian finch is very sensitive and needs a safe living environment to develop. When well cared for, they are close companions, bringing you joy. Victoria crowned pigeon, named in honor of Queen Victoria of England. Outstanding with bright red eyes, contrasting with attractive dark blue fur. Their most notable feature is the delicate crest on top of their head, covered with thin feathers and spread out like a crown. They are quite large in size, about 70 centimeters long, with a weight of up to 2 to 2.5 kilograms, making them one of the largest pigeon species in the world. Victoria crowned pigeon lives mainly in the tropical forests and swamps of New Guinea. When they want to impress or communicate, they can ruffle their feathers and raise their crests, creating a majestic and outstanding appearance. The scarlet macaw is truly one of the world's most strikingly beautiful birds. These vibrant parrots, with their radiant red feathers and bands of bold yellow, fill the forests of Central and South America with color and life. Scarlet macaws can grow impressively large, ranging from 76 to 99 centimeters in length and weighing close to 1 kilogram. But unfortunately, their beauty has made them a target. Habitat loss and illegal capture for the exotic pet trade have placed this breathtaking bird on the edge of extinction. Once a symbol of the wilderness's untamed spirit, the scarlet macaw now urgently needs our protection to ensure its survival in the wild. Indian peacock possesses colorful feathers and a tail that can be twice the length of its body, made up of many large feathers, each feather shaped like an eye, with colors of green, yellow, and brown. Male peacocks have bright green feathers, while female peacocks have duller brown feathers, helping them camouflage better. Another notable feature of male peacocks is their erect, crested head. The Indian peacock lives in tropical forests, woodlands, and grasslands in India, Sri Lanka, and some other parts of South Asia. When encountering danger or wanting to attract a mate, the male peacock will spread his tail, creating a colorful display. Peacocks are often considered a symbol of love, prosperity, and rebirth. Mandarin duck. Mandarin duck is considered a symbol of love and happiness in Asian culture. The male mandarin duck has extremely colorful plumage, while the female has gray-brown plumage and a white tail, helping it easily camouflage in the natural environment. They mainly live in East Asian regions. Mandarin ducks often form pairs and are known for their fidelity. Once paired, they often stay together for life, and it is believed that their presence will bring good luck to those who see them. Although the mandarin duck population is not considered endangered, their habitat is threatened by deforestation and water pollution. Greater bird of paradise. The greater bird of paradise stands out for its colorful plumage and impressive courtship displays. They live high in the forest canopy, where there are few predators and conditions are favorable for elaborate courtship displays to attract a mate. After choosing a mate, the female will build a nest and take care of the young without support from the male. During the colonial period, the greater bird of paradise's feathers were used to make hats, causing the species to be heavily hunted, threatening its population. This bird also plays an important role in dispersing seeds and helping maintain the tropical forest ecosystem. Cock of the rock. The cock of the rock is a prominent bird of the South American forests. Males have bright orange or red plumage with a characteristic fan-shaped crest on their head. Their feathers are very bright and easily recognizable. The female is more gray-brown in color. They like to live in rocky areas and cliffs near streams or rivers where there are many trees and food sources. The average lifespan of the cock of the rock is about 8 to 12 years in the wild. They are considered a national symbol of Peru and a source of inspiration for researchers and tourists. Wilson's bird of paradise. Wilson's bird of paradise is one of the most beautiful birds in the Paradisidae family. The male has a very special plumage with a featherless turquoise head, a rare feature in birds. The top of the head has blood vessels near the skin, creating a bright blue color. Their tail has 2 long curling feathers, creating an impressive shape. The female has brown feathers and is simpler. Males have elaborate courtship displays, dancing and displaying colorful plumage to attract females. Wilson's bird of paradise is listed as a near-threatened species and is in dire need of protection. Resplendent Quetzal. Resplendent Quetzal is a living symbol of Central America's cloud forests. With metallic turquoise fur and a long red tail as seductive as a silk ribbon. Males fly in the forest light, displaying their brilliant colors to win the hearts of females. They are symbols of freedom and holiness. It is believed that the Quetzal will die if kept in captivity. Resplendent Quetzal has an average lifespan, about 20 years in the wild. However, their habitat is threatened by human deforestation. Conservation efforts are underway across Central America to protect this rare bird from extinction. Thank you for watching the entire video. If you love this content, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss the latest videos. See you in the next video.